Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware so you don't waste time. First, check whether your laptop HDMI port accepts video input. Most are output only, so a USB 3.0 capture card is often required. Once done, choose a high-quality HDMI cable, HDMI 2.0 for 4K at 60Hz or HDMI 1.4 for 1080p. Power on the Xbox Series X and set its output to 1080p if your capture device or laptop limits bandwidth. This prevents stutter and mismatched resolutions later. Now connect the hardware and configure settings so the signal flows cleanly. Plug the Xbox's HDMI output into the capture card's HDMI input, then connect the capture card to your laptop's USB 3.0 port. Install any drivers and open your capture software. Select the capture device as the video source and match resolution and frame rate. Make sure HDR is disabled on the console if your capture device doesn't support HDR pass-through, because HDR mismatches cause washed out or oversaturated. Finish by validating audio and performing quick troubleshooting steps so you can play immediately. Route audio either through the capture device, the controller headset, or laptop speakers. Set audio source inside the capture app. If you see no video, test another HDMI cable, plug the capture into a different USB 3.0 port, update drivers, and reboot both devices. If issues persist, drop the Xbox output to 720p or lower, the refresh rate to isolate bandwidth or compatibility problems, and avoid dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.